How to monetize your SoundCloud tutorial. If you wish to monetize your SoundCloud accounts, all you have to do is simply open up your browser. Then first of all, just go to soundcloud.com. Once you go to soundcloud.com, this is a type of interface you will see where you have to simply click or select your profile icon from the drop down menu on the top right hand side, and from there you want to simply navigate to the option that says tracks. Now once you come to the tracks option, this is the type of interface you will see. If you want to monetize one of your tracks, on the right hand side of the track, just click on the three dots option. Over there you'll find the option that says monetize, so just click on the monetize option. Now you must have an Artist Pro account if you're not an artist, so select Get Artist Pro option, follow up with the instructions, and you'll be able to enable monetization within your SoundCloud account. This way you can monetize on SoundCloud. I hope the video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.